Welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and today's video we're going to take a walk down the Vegas Strip and let's see what we can find, and that's coming up next. Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and today is another installment of the travel and leisure section here on the channel. And it's not all travel, sometimes it's leisure, and sometimes it's leisure and travel. Just like in this instance, we're going to take a walk down the Las Vegas Strip, and not your typical one though. Most people will film it at night. We're going to take an early morning stroll to show you what the Vegas Strip looks like in the early morning hours. It was a beautiful morning. Fall and winter are a great time to get onto the Vegas Strip. Temperatures are very reasonable, cooler temperatures, so you can get out there and explore and walk around the Strip. So let's take a look. Check out that traffic, or lack of. One of the pedestrian bridges. Amazing views. New York, New York. Excuse me, sir. Everybody's on their phone. So are we. Beautiful sunrise as we walk through New York, New York. Another pedestrian bridge. He's late to the buffet. There's the Excalibur. Sorry about that glare. The Statue of Liberty, Vegas style. Old Glory. There's the Excalibur again from across the street. The Brooklyn Bridge, everyone. No traffic. Vegas style. Nice cool temperatures, shade. Great way to explore Las Vegas. Even the sidewalks are empty. A great way to explore. Sorry for the camera mount, folks. Look at that view. How often can you jump into the middle of the street on the Vegas Strip? That's what I'm talking about. Empty. The Hard Rock Cafe, right to the right. Denny's. Let's grab a bite. And we try to stabilize this mount. Okay, there you have it. An AM early morning walk down the Las Vegas Strip, Las Vegas, Nevada. Another installment of the travel and leisure section here on the channel. We're happy to bring that to you. Comment below. Tell us what you think of the Las Vegas Strip, especially in the morning hours. Is it better or worse than the night? Depends on your personality, I guess. But comment below. Tell me what you think of this early morning walk down the Las Vegas Strip. And don't forget, like and subscribe. And as always, we'll catch you next time right here on 640 AM The Mix. And don't forget, check the description for the final word on the Las Vegas Strip. Thanks for watching. Special thanks to Hiberius for providing us the soundtrack.